to town today and do the tourist thing. We have not gone, we've walked around a little bit at, what was that, swap meet?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're gonna go do Tyson Wells. Want to go to the kitchen tent. We want to get something to eat. We don't know what we're gonna get into. Finn's still back there somewhere.
Yeah.
He's not even looking around anymore, he's sleeping. But we're gonna go see what we can see.
It's a good day today. It's a good day today.
So, did y'all have fun, all those places we went? Wait, what do you mean you don't know what places we went?
Somebody.
Why do they not know where we went?
You'll have to watch my video because somebody left their phone in the truck.
We went to the hardware store, to hardware tent, to K&B, to the kitchen store, back to the hardware tent, to, we looked for the corny dog place. It's not here yet, it's coming. To K&B, back to the pet place. We just went everywhere.
Yeah, and I didn't film that much either.
Yeah, we went everywhere. And Finn got a stroller, which was just awesome. And he got to go with us. Sammy didn't want to go, trust me. She doesn't like stuff like that. But Finn did so good in the stroller. We had beer and cheeseburger at, where? Not Silly Al's. Beer Bellies. And Finn, that we weren't by a speaker or anything, so Finn got to, we wouldn't have done it if Finn was going to be by a speaker or it was too loud.
Sandra was playing, it's different. It was I guess a husband and a wife, and it was country, and
Yeah.
it wasn't very loud.
They were just on guitars, they didn't have amplifiers, and it was really nice and pleasant, and so we did that. And then I got some rug pieces to fix my rug steps, and Finn did, and we went back to the kitchen store. Finn did all of that in his stroller, and he did so good. And y'all don't get to see any of it unless you go to Frugal's channel.
And there's only a little bit of it on there.
Yeah, we'll have to come back and take you along
I
again.
didn't film very much, but we walked around some of the tents, and you saw Finn got a stroller, and we ate lunch. We went to the kitchen store, which is right there. And Deborah bought me a new pastry cutter. Because that one I got the other day at the, I probably should have just kept it for, because it was old, but I washed it and it was gross. So, it was like it had pastry dough down in the tines, whatever that's called. I was like, no. So threw that away and got this complete metal one. So I'm excited about that. And we're just driving on Cuban Street, watching all the crazy pedestrians.
And before I forget, we met some viewers that follow us. We met the one at Beer Bellies that was having lunch with Terry. Her name was Grace, and got to meet her. And then Ellen, we got to meet, wasn't it Ellen, at the kitchen tent? I think it was Ellen. She is escape artist, is what she goes by on YouTube, because she used to have an escape. Now she has a truck and small travel trailer. Sorry about the sun, you guys, but this is Finn's first campfire breakfast, and we are having to really watch him because he does not understand that flame is not good for puppy. Yeah. What are you fixing, Jenna?
Green eggs and ham.
Green eggs and ham. All right. No, she's just
eggs
kidding.
And ham.
brown. She has brown eggs. And I was like, no, they're yellow, because I was thinking about the yolk. Silly me. But anyway, and Sammy. Oh, you showing the eggs? Sorry. There we go.
Brown eggs.
Sammy, you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? She goes, I want some more of that ham out of that can, please.
Dropped my coat on the ground, didn't she?
Oh, she did. I didn't notice that. I'll get it.
It's all right.
I missed it.
They was kissing.
Oh, y'all kissing.
Yeah.
They really do like each other.
Kissy. Kissy, kissy.
She'll make them kiss again. She says, y'all kiss again.
Kissy, kissy.
No, you cannot get down.
Some more grease. Oil. Grease. Then I'm going to add eggs. Then I'm going to add some eggs.
Eggs in the pan. Sweet.
Now that was hot.
I bet. Yeah. It's getting lower. Don't burn yourself, Mama. Finn's learning how to cook and make coffee, and
Coffee.
he says you humans do the funniest things.
The funniest things.
So, yay, it is so good. So she says, I need some salsa. And I said, you want me to go get it? And she goes, not that kind of salsa. That's not salsa. New York City.
I know.
I like picante. And of course, you still have that frozen salsa.
Well, it's frozen.
Put that on your eggs.